Hello, my name is Prestige Gladden, and on today I will be discussing unhealthy lifestyles. Practicing healthy living conditions promote a healthier lifestyle. There are several methods and ideas to practice healthy living. However, sometimes there are the methods are not followed, which could lead to an unhealthy lifestyle. So therefore, unhealthy living is a problem, but there's also a solution. Obesity is one of obesity an is a problem because of obesity, but the solution is eating healthy. While some believe obesity is not a problem, almost half the population is considered obese. Encouraging better eating habits and alternatives could stop the spread of obesity. Mental health is also a problem, but there's a solution. The solution is interacting with people. Some people feel as though mental health is not as important as physical health, but it is not visibly seen to the naked eye. Mental health can be shown as a sign of weakness, but with the help of a good listening ear and friendly contact can help with mental health. Stress. Stress is a problem. It is a problem because of stress, but there's a solution. The solution is meditation. While stress may not be a problem for everyone, some people believe stress leads to unhealthy living conditions. The use of meditation can reduce and eliminate stress in anyone. About 70% of people have felt stress. Unaffordable health care. Unaffordable health care is a problem. Some claim that unaffordable health care is only geared towards low-income families and those who can't afford it. However, the solution is finding affordable health care programs that are geared towards helping low-income families and those who can afford health care. Poor hygiene. Poor hygiene is a problem, but the solution is cleaning. Some people are aware of what good hygiene does, but do not know how bad hygiene can affect living conditions. Many people, a study shown that people who suffer from poor hygiene are suffering from depression or anxiety. But the solution is but the solution is finding a way to cleaning yourself up and want to have good hygiene, which can stop the spread of unhealthy living conditions. Unhealthy living is a problem, but there's a solution. We should stop the spread of unhealthy living and start creating an environment where a healthy outside starts from the inside, and today it starts within you. Thank you.